What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to do flat iron curls and get a cute beach wave look at the end. This is what my client's hair looked like before I touched it, and as you can see, it was a mess, but we're going to fix that here today. So first, start off with, clean hair, brushed all out and ready to go. So after combing everything out, what we're going to do is part it so it's easier to section off, and it's easier to curl that way. So I just did a part at the back, and I'm going to tie the rest of the hair up so it can be out of the way. So you're going to take a medium-sized piece and you're going to comb it out and flat iron it as well. And then we're going to go in with the curl. So we're going to flip it whatever way we want it to go. We want it to go out, so we're going to flip it out. And we're also pulling and flipping at the same time. When it gets too tight, like you cannot move the flat irons anymore, I loosen it up a little, but just a tiny bit. So I'm holding the hair and I'm loosening the flat iron at the same time, and it's making a clapping motion, a clapping sound. And then when I'm done pulling that, I curl the whole, and you also have to flip your wrist, and then you get a beautiful curl. So if you just pay attention, you can continue to practice that, and it'll be fast forwarded in the video so that you can see as many curls as you would like. Now that the back of the hair is curled, I'm going to turn to the front. What I did do is put her natural hair up at the top because we're not going to curl that with the weave. We are going to wait and curl that later. So now for the front, you want to curl it back so it's out of your face. So all the curls I'm doing will be back. So I would flip the hair away from the face to make a flipped look. So now, as you can see, those are all flipped out of her face, and we're going to go for her natural hair. So with her natural hair, I'm going to make the part so we are aware where our part is going to be. Then I am going to gel her edges and curl the hair away from her face as well, so I will be able to blend it into the curls that we already have. So as you can see, these edges are laid. All I did was scoop them back with some edgewax edge control and just use an edge brush as well. So now I'm just going in and fixing some loose curls. Also make sure after you finish curling it, you coil it as well so that the curl is defined. So now we're going to go through. You can either use your fingers for this or use a brush. And we're going to brush out the curls to get the beach wave look, as you can see on the right side. I'm also going to go in and spray some Moroccan argan oil from Organics on her hair to leave it shiny as well. Now I am putting my fingers through it, brushing it, as well as blending the hair in with the weave to get our wavy look. And the more you brush it, the more wave you're going to achieve. So keep that in mind if you wanted to keep it curly. Don't do too much brushing, but also make sure that the hair blends in at the top as well. If the curl is not blended in the same, you should recurl it so that you'll be able to blend your hair with the weave. And we're going to look at our final product in a minute. So this is the side profile of the finished look. As you can see, it is curled out of her face, so it will not be in the way. And her hair made a cute little curl at the front, so I left that. But it still blends in with the weave. So as you can see, I'm still playing around with the hair, but on the right is the final product that we got, and I think they are just so cute. So if you like this look, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later.